my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people. Oh, to Rudok Beke, oh, Yawa dog gas. Yawa dog gas, so. My ogbonge people, oh, shine husband, oh, yansh door open. Yansh door open, oh, my darling people, oh. This man, una remember when he come out, come fight for a shine. When he say shine, Papa Wala, take care of your pikin. Take care of your pikin. How many pikin you no fit take care of? Only one. Everybody come dey hail and say, "A good man." Oh, this man nice oh. He come out, come fight for his wife. Everybody come dey hail am, you know. Everybody come dey hail am, say, "I really try well for wetin he do," you know. My darling people, to Rudok Beke oh. The wife wey carry am come Europe oh, finally come out, come talk. More than listen to the time when he
The whole me as his husband, I always love her. You know what I'm saying?
Now he dey talk so.
She not keep person, born she born for person.
Okay.
So why is all this one on social media? It don't make any sense.
Okay.
It doesn't make any sense. As she come on social media, they talk back. I say, man, you will calm down. You say, I need to find this woman number. Okay. May I check around. This part I don't need to go wife too much. I don't need to go social media, call like woman. Why does it do that?
You call the blast about Wala.
It's meant to be childish. Because everybody write down a man. Write down. You want to give opinion. This one give you. Doesn't make sense. The best opinion, find secret number. Call this woman. I'm ready to go for DNA now. But can't wait DNA now.
You can't just talk where everybody come to you now.
It's good. Anyway, they don't want to. They don't want to. That story don't pass. Try to bring your woman away for you down. It doesn't make sense. Me, I don't bring my head down. Never. I will never bring my head down.
Una the year.
No matter what. No matter the fight. No matter what past. If you still ask me by my head, woman will come for me. I still she's one of the great woman. Only my mighty stake away. You know what I'm saying? That's just the truth. So we don't need to argue. You don't have the name. Not my wife started going for person before. You know what I mean? Then you pass on the no, it's not a long story.
My people, this man can't talk. Everybody can't hear. Oh, this man nice. Oh, he take care of your children. Oh, we can't heal him. People can't say, why I not get this kind of husband? Why I not get this kind of husband? People can't talk like that. My husband get people. Oh, I don't down wake up again. Now be say. The woman, the wife, wey carry am come Europe, come finally come call Eddie Murphy. He can't talk. He can't say, this man wey come out that day, they say they take care of your children. He they take care of this, he they take care of that. He they okay. Why Papa Wala no want take care of you? Only one pikin. He say you only no fit take care of her. He say no, they even they call your children. Talk about say want take care of them. I was like, is this woman kidding me right now? I can say, this one allowed though, make I listen well. He said this man not they take care of his children. You know, they call. You know, they even they do like father to a pikin 11 years now, be 12 years. You know, they take care of. My dad said, no, I will record this part. Mona, listen, no. Una the year. His wife, where fair marry her before. Now they talk so. We bring her come Europe before he no shine no. The wife we carry her come Europe 2 times. Now pay 80,000. They carry shine husband come Europe. Now the woman I call the talk now say, you know they take care of your own children. Now the woman they talk more than listen no. Now the year. The day when he see Pikin don't grow now big girl now. He can't they cry then when he see Pikin. Person when they never take care of a Pikin, I can't they advance for a while now. Another year. You know they take care of you, no. You know they take care of a Pikin, no. He said in the take care of Shine Pikin, but you know they take care of her. Another year. The ex-wife, now they talk so. The ex-wife of Shine husband, now they talk so. Hey. He say 2 times now he carry her come Europe. If he carry her pass Italy, you know if he enter, then he can carry her pass UK again. 8,000 euro 2 times now he pay take carry this man come. This man can't feel leave this kind of woman. Cause in a Shine, he want go marry. Now the only one he bring come Europe, he bring even he two his sister and the brother he bring they come Europe too. This woman where they talk so. Woman go suffer follow na finish. Even the house where Shine dey, where say na him build that, he Shine and the Pikin dey the house. This woman suffer for the house too. My people. He said this man is that they quarrel. If they always they insult his papa. Any man where they insult person papa, mama, he no go to marry at all. He said this man, if he don't drink, he said I'm drunker. If he don't drink, he go beat her, even when he get belle for 2 months. Belle, the belle can come out because of the beating with this man. They beat her.
Okon, I too love you. 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 To love you.
Mona see when they talk, oh.
Hello, that
He said if somebody leave a woman, they suppose make the woman, make the man progress. He said that because the man say the woman say in progress, now he make the woman they jealous. He say now so in they buy phone.
I've come to the light. That's the problem we are having. I just sent that 250 pounds for my school uniform. That's just 2 months ago.
Oh, free set on us one now.
How much I went to drunk up in the class? She had money for 7 years. I really line. I didn't have to give it long. No, I'm not my weakness. You know, I'm not fighting. I'm too mature for this. Until an age, either way, I'm going to put my child on child support. It really go every time. You know what I'm saying? It's good to remember my life now. If a man who wants to buy,
my people, that's how I go play and reach. My darling people, wait till una think, oh, this man, he come out, come fight with Papa while I say, may go take care of his pikin. Whereas he own 2 children where they follow and they London, they they take care of them. My darling people, matter, the same way we leave matter for Matthias. If you know say your nyash no good, dirty fool, no come out, come they talk or not judge another person. Because the Papa will allow you call even the judge safe. He even buy 2 cars for Shine that time when we Shine day. Even they take care of Shine. You now, your own children, you not take care of them. You come out, come they lie to us, and that's how you take care of your children. That's how you do. You day okay. That's how you day this, my people. More help me judge this matter. Oh, my commenters there, my ogbonge people there. More help me judge more. How na reason the matter? That's why I go talk this matter reach for now. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you.